Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A5 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. So first of all we have to turn off those automatic options, and now let's tap on date and change it just by swiping. The same situation with the time, just swipe, set it just like you want to, and it will be immediately applied. The time zone, just tap on it, and here you've got the full list of them, so simply find yours and tap on it and it will be immediately applied also. Here you've got the option called dual clock, which means that your device will display two different clocks. The first one is set right here, so probably the place you're currently in, and the second it's the place of your choice, and here you can decide how you want to display it. What is more, you can change the time format, so just tap on this option. Here we've got the 24-hour one or 12-hour format, it's totally up to you. And if you want to get back to the previous options, so the automatic options, just tap on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.